We'll guide you through how to make leak light transition BCC. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your search bar in Windows and typing After Effects so the program appears. Once it shows up, open it with a left click and wait for the workspace to load. When you are inside After Effects, create a new composition to set up the base for your edit. After the composition is made, go to the project bar on the left side, right-click inside it, and choose Import from the menu that appears. Then select File so a file browser opens. Look for the footage you want to use, select it, and import it. After the footage appears in the project panel, drag and drop it into the timeline so it becomes your main layer. Then right-click inside the timeline, choose New, and select Adjustment Layer. This layer will be the one that holds the transition effect. Once the adjustment layer is ready, move to the Effects and Presets panel and use the search bar to look for BCC Light Leaks Dissolve. After you find the effect, drag and drop it onto the adjustment layer. Then go to the Effect Controls panel to set the animation mode to PCT. Done, so you can animate the transition manually. Turn on the main keyframe. Then set the first keyframe to 50 so the effect starts halfway strong. Move a little forward in the timeline and set the second keyframe to 0 so the effect fades out smoothly. Select both keyframes, click and drag to highlight them. Then right-click to open the menu. Inside that menu, choose Keyframe Assistant, then Easy Ease to make the transition feel smoother. After that, open the graph editor and shape the graph to match the motion you want. When you finish adjusting the graph, go back to the Effect Controls panel. If you want brighter light, open the Stylize section and increase the exposure value. If you want to change the light color, go to the Hue Controls and experiment until you get the look you want. To boost the glow even more, adjust the glow intensity and glow radius until the result fits your style. By following all these steps in order, you will create a clean and smooth light leaks transition using BCC.